usemsebenzini, you're busy asking for numbers. What's wrong with you? No. Okay, so hi guys. Hope you're all good. Come with me. I didn't really want to leave the house. Like, I thought I was only going to leave the house on Sunday, go to church, come back, and only leave next week because I'm still just tired. I just don't want to do anything. God, I am on my way to Mtumi. At some point, I thought about just buying my grad outfits, but because there's a specific color I want, I'll go buy it myself. So come with me. The gray is not too far off if I compare it with the picture, so I guess it's a winner after, but I mean it doesn't have to be the exact same one, I guess. Well, I actually was going to go to another place, but so much admin, so I ended up just taking this one. Then yeah, it's so hot. They're asking, like, you're busy asking for numbers. What's wrong with you? No. But we're done now, and that is out of the way, so I'm on my way home. Going to dish myself a good bowl of ice cream with Ultramel, mix it up, and I'm about to have a good time. See you. Dumelangeni bakwethu, ngizonkhombisa i-post. Going to do my hair and my nails. Great vlog. What did you do? What's up? What's up? I actually don't know how this is going to go, but I'm wearing my mom's shirts. And then, like, in Nelezam, sise ereni where angas noma siyazwana noma siyalwa noma senzani kodwa ikhona into esenzayo, because I think mad at me nami ngimad at zona. So mad at me because I need to take care of it like that, yabo. Nami ngimad at zona because I was cool, but I guess it will cause dim masingabhali finding na i-condition ngiyadlala sengikhohle ukuthi asifundane. Anyways, asihambeni my so qina and stuff. I'm hoping it doesn't take long. I will just uthola umuntu osheshayo ngoba nami ngikushesha nje ngiqedeni and get other things going. Actually, there is no other thing going. Oh, I just need to go to Checkers to get a few stuff because my family is coming tomorrow. Yeah. So bazodlula la, or bazodlula bangithathe, but obviously bazongena and stuff. So yeah, let's go. Hi Sissy.
How are you? All classes.
Good, how are you?
Graduate.
Welcome to the vlog. Ngiyayithanda le nto iphethe. We thank.
House of Grad.
No, bengithi ungangimisi, so in truth to that is uskang emis. That's okay. Uskabu walinda.
I always high five.
Bye. kodwa nise-right yini na? Nise-right? Si-right thina ngapha, sibahle nje. Wow. Wow. I'm so happy. Have a look. I don't even know if you guys will see, but that's exactly what I'm talking about. Love it so much. Anyway, I'm back now. I'm done with my nails gel because I'm trying to grow my nails again after 4 months of just straight cutting them. So I want to grow them again, and then yeah, we are done for the day. Or I am going to go see my sister with laundry. But security so just want to go leave my laundry there because so yeah, clean lunch. I'm grapes in now. Let's have some grapes. Using I have one. Testing 1 2. I feel the feeling. Siphokazi Mbatha. Yes, thank you. You're welcome. Oh, little bazai.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm
don't even know how this vlog is looking, but all I'm saying is get salty, I'm tired, get salty, I'm tired. Angazi ngoba kusasa ekuseni kufanele ngivuke njalo ngiye kwandawo, but I guess ngizodinga umoya engcwele ukuthi ungiphe amandla because I don't see how I'm going to be waking up tomorrow. I need to admit that I am funny. You need to admit that I'm funny.
You're not funny.
I am, but you just laughed now.
You're annoyingly like your funniness is like for what reason?
What do you mean?
Funny. What I think is why. Like why
but it's fun. But
nah.
I really think I should take up being a comedian.
Like
I think I should.
I really feel bad for your colleagues, bruh.
No.
I'm so tired.
That so I said to my sister yesterday. So she was like, so she saw my suits, and then she was like, she didn't know that my belt was the same as my suit. And then I was like, but it's Tombe Sam Sisekai, you see it every day. Bese watin? Watin? Angaz watin? Oh, Teagaza Anak, that's me nakshuti, she doesn't look up to me.
It's not
Like,
funny.
I think that's funny.
It's not funny. They probably it's
But-
not funny.
I think it's really funny. I think you just need to be smart to get my jokes.
It's not funny.
It's funny.
No, it's
But then mine it's funny. Corporate girls are up. Bye.